xem màn cô nhé. Em xem màn
Tiếp
cô
đi,
nhé.
nghe này vào đi.
Ok ok. Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Dan. For now at the present, I'm studying at University of Transport Technology. Today I'm gonna make a presentation about my thematic, and the topic I'm talking to is mechanical material. It's a very popular phrase in our life, but not everyone knows much about this field. So what is a mechanical material? First, we talk about conception. Mechanical material are materials that people use mechanical production to create products for life, such as machinery, equipment, construction, and building. And alloy is also a group of material used mainly in mechanical production. It's the main subject of the subject. The second is important. In the above-mentioned group of material, metal material play a decisive role in the development of society and technology. It is the basic material for making machine and construction. The continuous development of dynamic machine and machine tool is associated with the development of metal material with increasingly high performance. With my thematic, in the limit of time 5 to 10 minutes today, my presentation is divided into three main content. Firstly, overview of topic, history of formation and classification. The secondly, the structure and property. The last, we have a common application. Okay, I will start some general information about overview of the topic. The development history of the mechanical material industry and classification process. Have you heard about history a bit and the classification as a bit? Classification of metallic and non-metallic material. Every time people find a new material with a superior property, it is time to boost labor productivity and open new signs such as alloy aluminum, Dura in
Đạt đây cô dừng lại Đạt một chút Đạt nhé. Đạt phải bật camera cho cô nhé.
Vâng, em quên mất. Có thấy chưa?
Mời anh cứ nói tiếp đi.
It's time to boost labor productivity and open up new science such as alloy aluminum. Dura 1903 helped the aviation and rocket industry to have a leap forward development. Second, austenitic stainless steel in 1912, titanium alloy in 1960, high-strength structural steel in 1965, metallic glass type 1990. In the same time is memory metal. Classification of metallic and non-metallic material. To meet the diverse needs of today's customer, many different materials have been used in mechanical processing, in which the following 11 types of mechanical processing material are the most common. Let's find out the characteristic and processing method applied to this material. We have two material. First is metallic material. With the above characteristic, cast iron is often used to process complex machine parts such as gear, flywheel, rolling shaft, crankshaft, machine shell, body and bell wheel. Iron, copper, aluminum, steel, stainless steel, we call this inox, cast iron. The second material is non-metallic. In mechanic processing, beside the common material mentioned above, there are also many popular non-metallic materials such as plastic, rubber, composite, wood, HPD material. Okay, next we are going to look about structure and property. The structure of the mechanic material industry, property of it in real life. What do you know about the structure and property in the newly classified mechanical material through daily life? that we see structure of material of very diversity. We have two material. It's metallic. In metallic, in the first is black metal. If the percentage of carbon in the material is under or equal to 2.14%, it's called steel, and over 2.40% is cast iron. The higher percentage of carbon, the harder and more brittle with this material. Cast iron is classified into three types: gray cast iron, white cast iron, and ductile iron. In the second is non-ferrous metal. The remaining metal is steel, Al, Dn, Sn, Pb. Non-ferrous metal are often used in the form of alloy. There are two main types: copper and its alloy, and aluminum is an alloy. Advantage: we have a good conductor of electricity and heat, less susceptible to oxidation than ferrous metal, easy to flake and elongate. Cons is lead hard, higher cost than ferrous metal. Copper and aluminum are widely used in opera. I would like to take a look illustration of structure from this. We can understand how they are made from what element of chemical. Besides, although not common, non-metallic material also have many structures. It is in non-metallic, it is plastic. Its product synthesized from organic substance C, macromolecular, oil field, petroleum, and coal. Plastic are divided into two categories: thermoplastic, low melting point, lightweight, flexible, non-conductive, not oxidized, less susceptible to chemical. US our household tool, lamps, buckets, cup, can, and slipper. With solid plastic, solid fill immediately after pressing under pressure, processing temperature, high temperature resistant, high strength and lightweight, non-conductive, non-thermal. With the rubber, it is flexible, elastic material with good damping ability, good electrical with sound isolation, including two types: is natural rubber and artificial rubber. Rubber is used to make electrical cable, tile, transmission belt, pipe, washer, insulating material. According to observation in life document, you can read what property, of mechanical material can you list. We have four basic properties. First is mechanic, chemical, physical, and technological property. The first, we have temper, plasticity, durability. In the second is chemical property, is acid and corrosion resistant. In physical property is melting heat, conductivity, thermal conductivity, and specific weight. Finally, is technological property, is machinability of the material. There's some animation about we learn on my class from our teacher. Finally, I want to show you the common application in our life: construction, industry, manufacturing. So many examples, I can tell them all. Let me show you on my slide. All documents are collected by research on a specified object or case. In the first, metallic material, we have a black metal. Carbon steel is mainly used in construction and road and bridge structure. Wood quality carbon steel used for household tool and machine part. The next is non-ferrous metal, used a lot in industry, manufacturing, households, appliance, manufacturing, machine part, making conductive material. With non-metallic material, is a plastic and rubber. With plastic, we have lamp, basket, cup, pans, slipper, bearing. Next is rubber. We can use tube, tile, pipe, transmission belt, and washer. There's some animation, you can see that. Now, the mechanical material are developing more and more all over the world. The raw mechanical material in the process.
Đạt ơi, Đạt làm lại đi nhé, Đạt dài quá đấy em ạ. Em
Sắp
thấy
hết rồi,
miên man cái gì đấy?
còn 2 slide nữa.
Miên man cái linh ta linh tinh gì đây? Bây giờ cậu chọn chốt cho tôi bằng mấy cái trọng tâm thôi. Một là giới thiệu ngắn gọn, xong hai là đến Phần trình bày thứ nhất là các cái loại, hai là cái classification, cái ba là application, cuối cùng conclusion nhá. Làm lại ngắn gọn như thế thôi.
Em có trình bày mấy cái đấy mà cô nhỉ? Ở mấy slide trước.
Tôi bảo cậu làm lại ngắn gọn vào những cái đấy thôi, còn cậu không trình bày miên man nhiều như này đâu. Bây giờ cậu nhìn này, miên man mãi, bao nhiêu phút rồi? Cái bản game cậu bao nhiêu phút rồi, nhìn ra.
10 phút.